Imagine that you can see your entire portfolio and that you can be at every single one of your buildings and literally steps into units while sitting at the office. Imagine that you no longer need to run after property managers or contractors to get the status of units in the turnover process. And that this information will magically appear on your dashboard every single day. Well, I have good news for you. You don't need to imagine anymore. That's exactly what we're building at Urban Mix, where we're developing the next generation of real estate management software with AI operations in 3D. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. It's based on the idea that you can manage your building on an interactive 3D model of your building, or rather a digital twin. Because it's so simple and makes so much sense, we're seeing great tractions. Just 6 months from launching our prototype, we're nearly at 100K in revenue. One of the reasons we were able to pull this off is product founders fit. We're both architects with deep experience and PhDs in urban planning. My co-founder, Daphna, managed over 60,000 residential units as a city planner. And guess what? She was doing that from their office with mainly spreadsheets as the main tool. So we've lived through the frustration of real estate management. We know that real estate owners or multifamily owners have the exact same problem. They manage thousands of units from their office with, guess what? Mainly Excel sheets. And with every building having its own property manager, contractors, brokers, things fall through the cracks. And multiply that across 10 or 15 buildings, and turnover loss can eat up to 10% of your annual rent revenue. And that happens because they don't know the status of units. They don't know who is working on what and where. And they use too many apps in this process. So just to recap, our customers are multifamily owners. Their problem they're dealing with is turnover loss. And what they need is more visibility and better collaboration tools. And because we know that problem from personal experience, we tailored the Urban Mix platform to solve exactly this. We give them real-time visibility and enhanced collaboration by creating this AI-driven platform that manage their entire portfolio in 3D. So how does it work? Our system replicates each one of your buildings with the exact status of every unit. Team members get tasks to complete, and when they're done, the 3D model updates and the unit progresses to the next stage. We give them a game-like platform that aggregates data from the portfolio to the building and to the unit, where the 3D model serves as a virtual storage system that captures everything that is related to a unit inside that unit, enabling owners to literally step into the unit while sitting at the office, and then in one click going back to the portfolio scale, where every piece of data and every team member get access to this information. We give them a powerful tool like no other in the industry to boost efficiency and revenue. It's based on 4 simple features: the portfolio view, and the 3 things that needs to happen from the moment one tenant leaves the apartment until a new tenant comes in. Inspect, make ready, and list. According to this color code, you can see your entire portfolio, and it becomes like a game in which the team members try to move units from color to color by collaboration on the 3D model. So we're here to empower teams to collaborate, and we create this gamified platform that all team members can see what others are doing, and every team member get a voice in the process. Owners can manage all data, and in just one click, they get prioritizations of tasks and automations of workflow. So on the way to work, our asset manager gets a voice message that tells him, "Good morning, Gabe, today you have to do these 3 tasks, and then it leads him through those 3 tasks. For example, sending an inspection to unit this and that in that building. The person in the building do the inspection, and the 3D model automatically updates and tell us that this unit is no longer in inspection mode, but now is in make ready phase, which is now creating an automatic make ready board or digital make ready board. And when the unit is ready to lease, it automatically creates the leasing package that is ready to use, and in just 1 click gives them the floor plan, the 3D virtual tour, and any kind of information that is related to the unit. So I'm gonna focus the next of the presentation on this list feature because it's cool and easy to show. But we're doing, of course, all the other features as well.
UrbanMix, a marketing tool like no other. First, tour the neighborhood, and then check out the building. See all the available units on our 3D digital twin. Select a unit to dive into. Tour the apartment with ease, and browse through photos and check out the views. Get an easy and fast leasing experience with UrbanMix.
Okay, and we're also playing around with VR and AR, and this is just something that is fresh out of the oven. It's not really working yet, but it's really cool to show. So we did a demo with Apple Vision Pro to be able to see the entire system through a VR glasses.
With the UrbanMix Apple Vision Pro VR experience.
So it's just giving you the ability to see everything I just showed you, but through a VR glasses. Did I stop the video?
With the UrbanMix Apple Vision Pro VR experience, you can offer prospective tenants a comprehensive and engaging leasing experience that sets you apart from the competition. First, they can tour the neighborhood, exploring the location, facilities, and transportation options, and imagine what it would be like to live there. Then, they can focus on the building, view all available units, and choose the perfect one. For example, I'm looking for a 3-bedroom unit with a perfect view, but I don't want to see the bridge. Can you show me how this unit would look? On the back end, the leasing office can track the status of each unit, including availability and readiness stages. Based on this information, they can show me the most relevant unit. I can then view it from a dollhouse perspective or virtually step inside, check out the views, and get a real feel for living in that unit, saving your leasing office time and money.
So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. I'm here to look for design partners, for beta users that are interested in experimenting with our product and giving us product feedback. So contact me after it. Thank you.